DECA Manufacturing builds wire harnesses and cable assemblies. So essentially the electronic nervous system of any piece of equipment. We've got a number of different customers that use this, but electronic wire harnesses are used across just about everything.
We do military applications. We do a lot of automotive stuff. I like to see a Ford car driving down the road and I can think, it's possible I might have put a wire harness in that car. Just knowing that we have those products out in applications like that makes me proud.
I purchased the company in 2018. It's been around since 1976. I'm just an entrepreneur at heart with a passion for manufacturing, and I wanted to get back to my hometown, so it seemed like a natural fit. What drew me to DECA was the people and the opportunity that I saw to grow it. It was like a garden that just needed to be tended to, really.
When we first started here, it was just simple cables, simple assemblies like that. We branched out.
We have grown quite considerably in the past few years. We are opening up to more opportunities where we're doing more aerospace applications and definitely newer automotive things. I think our company will continue to blossom.
The people I work with here at DECA are across the map. We've got a lot of good people that really believe in this place, and to me this is like a second family, and I believe that there's quite a few others out there that feel the same way.
It's interesting because there's a wide variety of personalities, and it's been enjoyable for me to get to know a lot of people. With my job, I get to move around throughout the shop. I get to interact with a lot of different ones, and it's enjoyable to make new friends and that.
If you come to DECA, you're going to be treated as a real person. You're going to know the owner, you're going to know your supervisor, you're going to be able to work with them. I'm out on the floor daily and get to work with nice, real, actual humans.
Most people don't come into DECA with training. They don't come in with the knowledge of wires and terminals and what it should look like, what it shouldn't look like, and how that's supposed to happen.
I started at the bottom. I was building wire harnesses. So as you learn basic steps, you'll learn more throughout the industry and you can move up in the company. So it is definitely something that you can grow in, and it is a very good field to be in.
It doesn't matter where you've been. It doesn't matter where you are. DECA can find a place for you.